Alright, road warriors, let's talk about a new ride that doesn't come with 4 wheels and a trunk full of groceries. Nope, today we're diving into a bike. But not just any bike. This is the Alpine GLP III SE Alpine Edition. An electric mountain bike so fancy it probably asks you for your ID before letting you ride. I mean, with a price tag of 10,000 euros, or $11,100 if you're thinking in dollars, this bike costs more than my first car. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and stay tuned to cool ideas. Because this is where you come to drool over cool stuff you didn't even know you needed. Let's get into the details. The GLP III SE is the love child of Alpine and Lapierre, 2 French companies that decided cars weren't enough and thought, why not make a bike that could make Tour de France cyclists jealous? This electric mountain bike is powered by an 800-watt Bosch PowerPack battery, paired with a Bosch Performance CX Race motor, all sitting snugly in a UD SLI carbon frame. For those of you who aren't fluent in bike specs, this means the GLP III SE is designed to go faster, further, and probably make you look cooler than you actually are. The bike also boasts a 38mm 1.5-in fork, Mavic E-Deemax wheels, Shimano XTR piston brakes, and a Shimano XTR XT 12V transmission. And let's not forget the Fax Float factory suspension, as apparently your backside deserves a first-class ride. Available in 4 sizes, S, M, L, and XL, this bike has all the bells and whistles, literally and figuratively. But it's only available in limited numbers. So if you're planning to flaunt this baby on the trails, you'd better act fast. And don't worry, your bank account will recover eventually. So, if you're a riding enthusiast with a thirst for adventure and a rather generous budget, this might just be the 2-wheeler of your dreams. Just be prepared for your friends to ask, wait, how much did you say that bike cost?